Starting out in the garden always feels like stepping into a new world. So the other day, while tending to my plants, I came across what looks like a giant stink bug. So I went on a little quest to find out more about these bugs. In this video, we are going to be talking about these leaf-footed bugs. Hello and welcome to the channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So the other day I found these little bugs hanging out on my aubergine plants. They are called leaf-footed bugs and they are part of the family of Coriaceae. And in the Coriaceae family, it includes tip wilters, squash bugs, and stink bugs. This is what these female bugs look like. They don't have wings and their bodies are a bit bigger, a bit wider than the male ones. And this is what the male ones look like. They are more brown and they have their wings and they have this interesting colorful pattern at their backs. Now if you look a little closer, you can clearly see why they are called leaf-footed bugs. As you'll see here, their hind legs look like they've been spending a lot of time in the gym doing squats only. There's that pattern that I was talking about. A distinct feature of the male leaf-footed bugs is its hind legs. As you can see here, the hind legs are covered in thorny structures, and these serve as weapons in their male-to-male combat when they fight each other for access to females. Now when these bugs are trapped, they can easily shed their hind legs and continue to live with just one leg. As you can see, this one, he looks like he was in a battle and he only has one leg left. Now in my garden, they also had some help from grasshoppers as they were busy devouring my plants. Now this is what a normal stink bug size looks like. As you can see, they are very smaller than the other one. Now leaf-footed bugs, they suck the sap of your plants and they leave a damage like this one. Now the brown spots are caused by the leaf-footed bugs and the holes were caused by the grasshoppers. After all of this damage, I had to find a way to get rid of these leaf-footed bugs.
A few drops in his drink, then I'll propose a toast, and he will be dead before dessert.
Which is a real shame, because it's going to be delicious.
One way to get rid of these bugs is to simply pick them up off of the leaves and just throw them in some soapy water. But because I'm scared of touching bugs, I used my neem oil solution, which is just neem oil mixed together with some dish soap, and I sprayed the bugs.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
One interesting thing that I noticed as I was spraying these bugs is that whenever they get wet, they climb higher and higher to the highest part of the plant, so that they can get more air and get themselves dried off quickly. As you can see, this little one, he just keeps on climbing higher and higher. Even this little guy who lost his leg, he's limping along trying to find higher ground so he can get his wings dried up. Another way to discourage these leaf-footed bugs from invading your garden is planting bug-repelling flowers such as marigolds and lavender. Please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. I hope these little bugs did not discourage you from either starting or continuing with your garden. Remember to stay resilient, and we keep learning, and at least today you found a way to get rid of them should you encounter them in your garden. Thank you for watching.